Hi, I'm Saroj Kumar Panigai. I'm VP My Revenue Circle. I'm looking after the My Revenue Circle business. I'm proud of the fact that the My Revenue Circle team in last 9 months worked really hard and became the third largest fantasy company in the India space, actually, in the Indian fantasy space. It is very hard to achieve that because we are the 100th company who entered into the space. So within 9 months, we became the third largest fantasy company in India. So it's a very, very proud moment. We came late into the market, but we had lot of faith on the ability of our team. We knew that if you can innovate in this space, there is a market to be grabbed for actually. Till we entered, basically the way fantasy was getting played was between player versus player. So we came out with a new idea where player can compete and test their skill against the best in the game. So we brought in Sourav Ganguly, who used to make his team, and a player can compete with Sourav Ganguly, and if he beats him, then he wins basically 5 times the entry of whatever entry he has put in actually. So that kind of changed the narrative of how fantasy got played till then, and it worked really well for us actually. So you need to be apprised of what is happening around you to understand the pulse of the user, right? If India is going down in a series, you need to send personalized communication that come on, cheer for India, right? So for that, you have to watch what is happening around you. So we watch cricket together, we decide things while watching cricket match. So all that happens at the work actually. It's a big myth that to join us, you have to be a gamer. We are a technology-driven product company. You have to be very good in your logical and analytical skill. That's the bare bone you need actually, on which you can build everything else. We collect a lot of data. So what we are trying to do now is basically apply artificial intelligence on top of the data and personalize each user's journey as per their need actually. Unless you can personalize their journey as per their need, one size can't fit all basically, right? So what might work for one might not work for other person actually. So we're using a lot of AI and the data which we collect to personalize their journeys or users' journey as per their need. I enjoy both success and failure together, so we go for basically partying after any big campaign like IPL, BBL or World Cup. Mumbai is my favorite team.